As we've previously discussed, not all content is going to be effective at getting people to take action. This is why you need to create content that is on topic. You need to be sure to have a matching lead magnet for each topic you write about. As we discussed in the last video, you would do a lot better if you did segment your content and your list. Now we're going to talk about the different types of posts that you can make that will likely be effective at getting people to pay attention to your call to action, thus getting you better results for each piece of content you write. Lists are extremely popular these days. They are easy to write, they're easy to read, and they're easy to get people to take action. Not only that, they're very easy to match with an appropriate call to action. Let's say you wrote a blog post called The Top 7 Ways to Save Money on Groceries. Then you could have a lead magnet called 25 More Hot Ways to Save Money on Groceries, and you could tell people they can opt into your email list to find out more ways to save money on groceries. Boom! Very effective. Let's discuss interviews and guest posts. If visitors to your blog are new, they may not trust you yet, and that's understandable. But if you can get an expert in your field to help you out with a guest post or interview, you can get instant credibility. Having a recognized industry expert post on your blog immediately tells people your blog is important, making it a lot more likely they'll take action when you ask them to. Tips and tricks. Like list, tips and tricks are extremely popular all around the internet. They're quick and easy to read, as well as being easy to write. They provide information in an easy to digest format and are very helpful in drawing attention to your call to action. Simply create a post that has a few tips and tricks on a particular subject, or perhaps it focuses on just one really good tip, and then tell people they can opt in for more tips and tricks just like it. Then you can have a lead magnet with more content like they just read. In-depth tutorials. Tutorials are very good for drawing traffic, and if they're well written, they're excellent for getting people to take action. After all, if you're able to teach them how to do something they wanted to learn, you've just proven you know what you're talking about. Videos. Videos are especially helpful for getting people to take action because you can actually use the video itself to ask people to take action. Just tell them to visit your website and enter the name and address for more information on the topic of the video. You can even put a link to your site in the description and brand the video with your URL for even more traffic. These are just a few ideas you can use to create killer content that will get people to take action. In the next video, you'll learn how to use retargeting to get back visitors who came to your site and did not take action, giving you another chance to get that subscriber or sale.